Nothing to Sneeze At by Charlotte Hill.
Go bluebird, go bluebird, go bluebird.
I did this experiment to see if tissues or some other type of barrier keeps us safe over winter from the germs and bugs.
Green bug, go green bug, go green bug, go green bug.
My aim was to build a model to demonstrate how far airborne germs travel and what effect a piece of paper or piece of cardboard has on how far the airborne germs fly. These are the balloons I used. I filled them with 30 pieces of confetti each. My hypothesis was that the barrier will stop you getting more sick because of the distance that the germs fly. In my conclusion, I found out that it is important to use a Kleenex tissue to keep yourself safe in winter from germs and bugs. Thank you for watching my movie about my science, made for you by Charlotte and Michaela.